Hello my beautiful people, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a different video for you guys. I'm gonna review the lipsticks that I have used religiously in the past 6 months in 2020. Just to add on, I am a crazy lipstick lover and I have been using lipsticks for about 12-14 years of my life, and I can tell you guys that I don't believe in a world that exists without lipstick. So I have tried a lot of lipsticks, like tons of lipsticks in my life, and but today I am only going to review those lipsticks that I have used in the past 6 months, which have been my favorites for a while now. Just for all your reference, I am NC40 MAC Studio Fix Foundation, 228 Soft Tan in Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, 108 Caramel Beach in L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, I'm gonna start with my most favorite lipstick, which is I think a lot of people's favorite lipstick, MAC Ruby Woo. It's such a beautiful blue toned red lipstick that I don't think there is any other blue toned red in such a beautiful pigmented shade exists in this world. I totally love this shade, and again it's very pigmented, one swipe pigmentation. It lasts for more than 12 hours, does not smudge budge, transfers very little. I think it transfers for the first 30 minutes or 1 hour that you're wearing the lipstick, and then it stops transferring. So I am okay with it. It doesn't bleed, it's very comfortable, super light on lips and super duper matte. Next, coming to bullet lipsticks, I've got 3 more beautiful shades and my favorite bullet lipsticks by Nykaa Ultra Matte Collection. I've got 3 shades for now. Dinah, Razia and Marilyn. They are so beautiful. They are extremely pigmented. They are long lasting. They have one swipe pigmentation. They are super duper matte, and I don't know, whenever I've thought of a bullet lipstick, I have bought them. इतने प्यारे शेड्स हैं इस रेंज में, and they are under budget. It retails for 599 rupees. I totally love these shades. Now, talking about Marilyn, at first, it's a beautiful blue toned red shade again, and super matte, super pigmented, and very long lasting. It's I wouldn't say it's an exact dupe of Ruby Woo, but it's kind of similar. But Ruby Woo is a little more darker than Marilyn, and Marilyn is a little, you can say, 1-2 shades lighter, but they are almost similar, yes. Now, talking about the shade Dinah from this collection, it's a very beautiful mauve pink plus brown shade. It's a everyday shade, and I have worn this lipstick almost every day when I cannot decide what to wear, and even now I'm wearing the same shade Dinah because it's a very complementary shade to all skin tones. It would suit across every skin tone. Again, super duper pigmented, super matte, and really long lasting. Now, the final shade, Razia. It's a very beautiful bright pink, but not real bright that you cannot wear it outside. It's a wearable bright pink shade and very beautiful again, with a matte finish, super pigmentation, long lasting formula, and any pink lover can wear it every day because this shade is that beautiful. And trust me guys, Nykaa Ultra Matte Collection for bullet lipsticks is bang on the best and has a formula. The formula is like a bomb actually. I totally love these lipsticks. Coming to the next lipstick now, Smashbox liquid lipsticks. I only have 2 shades, Girl Gang and Gulabe, because they retail for 2100 rupees and you cannot have all the shades. So I'll talk about Gulabe first. It was overhyped that this shade is for all Indian skin tones, but let me tell you, even though the formula is too good, it's liquid formula and then dries down super matte. It's long lasting, would last on you for 12 hours. Yes, bang on, everything is very good. But yes, this shade is only for fair to medium skin tones and not from medium to dusky skin tones. I think for medium to dusky skin girls, this is gonna wash you out. Sometimes even when I'm not wearing a makeup and when I'm using this for a nude lipstick, this. I feel that it washes me out, so I sometimes use a lip liner with this, or I tap my berry lip crayons or a berry bullet lipstick on it just to tap on, so that a little mauvey side or a pinky side of the same lipstick pops up. But yeah, for the formula, and I highly recommend this for fair to medium skin girl again. The second lipstick of Smashbox that I'm going to talk about is Girl Gang. I am smiling now because this lipstick is my favorite. I love this lip color. It's so beautiful. It's such a pinky violet kind of shade. If when you want to go for a party and you don't want to have a lot of makeup on your face and still you want to look gorgeous and glamorous, let me tell you, this lipstick would do the job. It's so beautiful that it'll enhance your look just right away. It would last on you for more than 12 hours again. Super duper matte, very pigmented. It's just one swipe pigmentation and you're done. It's very light and comfortable on lips, and I totally love this. Coming to the brand Sugar Cosmetics, oh, how do I tell you? I have been a crazy lover of all the lipsticks by Try Sugar because they are so beautiful, so pigmented, one side pigmentations, such beautiful shades. I am in my hometown right now, so I currently don't have many lipsticks from Sugar with me, but I've got a few to tell you guys about. So let's begin with Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Baby Houseman from Sugar. Now, talking about this lipstick, it's very comfortable on lips, beautiful berry lipstick, lasts for at least 10 hours on your lips, non-drying, one swipe pigmentation, transfer proof, waterproof, smudge proof, does not budge, does not bleed. I don't know what to tell you. Whenever I feel that this lipstick is not looking good on my face and I need to make it a little darker, just to add on. I'm not a very big fan of nude lipsticks. I prefer little darker lipsticks on my face. I have been like that for a long time now. So when I feel like making a lipstick a little more dark, I use this shade from Sugar, the Baby Houseman. It's a beautiful shade and I have finished half of it now. It would go really long. This crayon would last you 6-7 months or a year maybe. It's very good, very good. Totally, highly recommended. Now coming to Sugar Metal Liquid Lipstick Collection, I have 3 shades of this: Mimosa, Bellatrix and Talitha. Let me tell you, I have been in love with all the 3 shades, but right now with me, as I am not in Bangalore, so I have only one shade. I had to get this because this is such a beautiful pinkish mauvey brown nude shade. It would suit across every skin tone, every skin tone actually, right from light to dusky, everyone. And it's very long lasting. It would last on you for more than 10 hours, and that is a bang on. One swipe pigmentation, you don't have to layer it again and again. Just one layer is enough for the correct pigment on your lips. And it's very comfortable on lips. The formula is super light, and you would know why. When Sugar launched this, we were like, why has Sugar come up with a lipstick which is priced at 1199, because that was not common for Sugar. But then जब मैंने इसका 3 lipstick लिया, I then realized why and how beautiful these shades are and why are these priced at 1199. I am totally in love with this shade, and anybody looking for a nude shade, so please buy this. Bellatrix by Sugar, highly recommended. Now coming to Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick collections. So I'll tell you what, these lipsticks are a little bit drying on your lips. Yes, if you have dry, chapped lips, then I would suggest you apply a lip balm underneath and then apply these lipsticks, and it would last for 8 hours, 8+ hours. Do not overlayer it. You cannot, because it would start breaking and बहुत ज़्यादा क्रैक लगेगा आपके लिप्स पे अगर आप दो लेयर अपने होठों पे लगाएंगे तो. एंड सेकेंड थिंग दैट आई वांट टू से इज़, अगर लिपस्टिक थोड़ा सा भी हट रहा है आपके लिप्स से yeah, you know, you had a very heavy meal outside like a pizza, burger or something, and then the lipstick has somehow vanished away from the center of your lips and you want to reapply it. So don't go with that. Take a lip balm and put on your lips. एक टिश्यू पेपर, टॉवल, नैपकिन, आपके पास जो भी होगा, take it and rub it. Take off the entire lipstick and reapply it again, because you cannot apply 2 coats of this. It would start cracking and you would feel very uncomfortable with that. Now talking about the first shade from the collection, Gotta Terracotta. This is a beautiful rusty orangish brown shade. Orange plus brown and some rusty in it. I love this shade again because it's a beautiful nude shade. You can wear this daily, it's wearable, you can carry it. आप जैसा भी मेकअप लुक में होंगे, it's smoky eyes, bold eyes, wink liner, this would go with anything. It's a very beautiful shade. I love this shade. Totally recommend it for a nude lipstick for fair to medium skin tones. Now coming to Teak Mystique. This shade I have used in my mask makeup tutorial video, and I used it on my cheeks, on my lips and on my eyelids. I love this shade again. It's a mauvey, pinkish, brownish, a little more brown and a hint of pink in it. So I love this shade again. So मैं कभी भी बाहर जाती हूँ and sometimes when I don't feel like, या फिर मुझे समझ भी नहीं आता कि कौन सा लिपस्टिक लगाना है, तो मैं ये लगा लेती हूँ, because it's not very nude but little more dark, because मुझे ज़्यादा nude lipsticks पसंद नहीं, तो this does a good job for me. Again, this would suit across every skin tones. Talking about Brink of Pink now. This is again a bright pink shade by Sugar, and it's very beautiful. It's not very bright, it's a wearable pink. And just to add on, let me tell you guys that Sugar lipsticks have a tendency कि आप जब लगाओगे तो लिक्विड फॉर्म में वो कुछ और दिखेगा. Once it gets dried down on your lips, it would come up, the color would change actually. And you will find that the changed color, the dried down color, is so pretty, so much more beautiful, that you will fall in love with all the lipsticks of Sugar. So again, this is a very beautiful wearable pink shade. Coming to the shade Jet Set Violet. I don't know what to tell about this shade. This is so pretty. This is my 3rd bottle in 3 years. I have been using this lipstick consistently a lot of times. Let me tell you guys just a tip. So when you're wearing a full black or full white, this lipstick would complement your look so good, so well. It would just, I don't know, it's such a pretty shade. I totally love this, and I highly recommend for the people who are out of reds and pinks and browns and want to try a different shade, go for this. This is very beautiful. Coming to this final lipstick, Fury Berry. This is such a beautiful berry shade again. I don't know what to tell about this lipstick. This has all my heart. It's so beautiful. So whenever I'm not in a mood to apply a lot of makeup and still I have to go out, I have to look good, I have to look a little noticeable and glamorous effortlessly, then I apply mascara, I do my brows and use this lipstick. You don't even need makeup on your face, and trust me guys, this would uplift your face, your makeup so nicely. I totally love this lipstick. It's again my 3rd bottle because I love it a lot. So that's all about my favorite lipsticks that I have used consistently in the first 6 months of 2020. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And do let me know in the comment section below your favorite lipsticks from my collection, or your favorite lipsticks from your collection. That might help me to buy some more lipsticks for my collection, and I can review it in my next video, maybe in the last month of 2020. So see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.